Hey guys, Justin from Double J's Box Breaks back again tonight with 2015-16 Artifacts box number 106. So thanks for taking part and good luck everybody. Auction ended. Winnipeg Jets at 9:58 p.m. Standard Time on February 7th. It is currently 11:36 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's see, we have serial number 24114786. There you go. 4786. So, of course, it is a sealed box of Upper Deck Artifacts. So, there you go, guys. Let's get into it. Good luck, everybody. Four packs. It's 8. 4 empty box. So let's go right into it, guys. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Pack number 1. So first is a base, Patrick Kane. Second, we have a decoy. And third, we have a ruby red, number 68 of 399 for the New York Rangers, Matt Zuccarello. So the Rangers on the board first, and base and base. Next, we have a base, and oh, there it is. That's the one we were looking for. A number 1 rookie redemptions Spectrum. Obviously for Connor McDavid. So let me just make sure for you guys. I'll just pull it up for the camera. So the Oilers pay off big time tonight. Let me see if I can find the Spectrum. There's no Spectrum, but there's the number 1. Obviously, everybody knows what it is. Connor McDavid. There you go. So, nice start there for the Oilers. Base and a base. And the next pack. Base. And a rookie artifacts, 201 of 399 for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Josh Anderson. Next pack, guys, we have a base card, and we have for the Oilers again, treasured swatches, Leon Draisaitl. And we have a base and a decoy. Next pack. We have a base and a decoy, and for the Boston Bruins, we have number 62 out of 999, Tuukka Rask. There we go. The Bruins are on the board, and a base and a base. Next pack. We have a base, decoy, and for the Montreal Canadiens, 79 of 99, Mike Keane jersey, dual jersey. That's a nice card for Montreal there. This is a nice box, guys. Real nice box. And a base. So let's finish it off. We have a base and a base and a decoy. And for the Boston Bruins, number 10 out of 85, Zdeno Chara. There you go. The Bruins again. And a base. And last pack, guys. Good luck. Just keep in mind, we do have more artifacts coming out on Tuesday, and we'll have another listing by the end of the week. We do have 2010-11 Zenith going out on Wednesday, and we have a double blaster box going out for tomorrow night. So just keep a lookout for those guys, and good luck. And once again, thanks for taking part in our box break tonight. So here we go. And for the Flyers and Artifacts Autofacts, Braden Shen. Nice. There you go. Nice hit for the Flyers. And a decoy and a base. So that's it, guys, for tonight. Thanks, everybody. Congratulations, Oilers. If you would like tracking on that, let me know, and I will send you tracking. Let me know by tomorrow, okay? Thanks.